Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking range and choosing the specific interval you need to change. This matters for vocal placement. Once done, breathe with diaphragm support and engage core so tone stays steady. Start immediately with stepwise vocal patterns, sing a comfortable note, then move by 1/2 or whole step toward the target. Make sure to use light consonant onsets to guide transitions. Keep phrases short so you can feel the change. Record a take to monitor subtle shifts in placement and resonance. Once you can hit both notes, focus on the transition mechanics so changes become automatic. You control this by adjusting vowel shape and softening or brightening tone. For example, move ah toward e to lift pitch without strain. Make sure to coordinate larynx height with breath pressure and blend chest and head registers through mixed voice during mid-range shifts. Then, practice slow glissandos to train path, gradually speeding up into repetitions of the target note until the timing and resonance feel natural and predictable. You finish by placing the changed note inside a full phrase so muscle memory matches musical context. Sing it with lyric and dynamic as intended. Once done, review recordings and compare takes, noting timing or placement that feels off. If something goes wrong, tension, flatness, or cracking, immediately drop volume and simplify the movement. Reduce intensity by about 20 to 30%, reset breath support, and repeat the movement slowly. Make sure to rest the voice between attempts and track progress over sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.